as the campaign is on, we have with us Dr. Sylvia, who is a doctor, MD in community medicine. She is one of the doctor who is very active with the campaigns of right to food and right to health. So, Dr. Sylvia, we would like to know, as the campaign by Jamaat Islami Hind all over the nation is on with the slogan that a strong family is the one which can bring a strong nation. Kindly, can you put up your views, please?
See, the family is a structure, just like the nation or the country is a structure. So it operates within certain boundaries, and many times these things are not defined by the people within the family. So, for example, if we tell people in a family you should spend time with the children, there are a lot of barriers to that. So it depends on whether the government is whether the people are having access to livelihood, whether they are having access to food, whether they are having access to water, sanitation. So all those things I think are important before we even define what is the idea of a family. But in case people choose to get married, then, and they choose, more importantly, if they choose to have children, then there are certain responsibilities with that. So whether you're a father or a mother, you have to understand that you are bringing somebody into this world, and therefore you become the primary responsibility, and you are responsible for that person's basics. You also become responsible for being role models. Let us sit together, let us discuss. Of course, when children are very small, that kind of negotiation may not happen, but as they grow older and older, like especially when they reach teenage, you should be like a friend to them. The first person they should think, if I have a problem, can I go to my mother or can I go to my father? But the way society is now, the last person the child will think of going to is a parent, because it is such a disciplinary and such a punitive kind of atmosphere. They are so scared, so they rather go and talk to some friend or some other person or some other adult who can then again manipulate them and put them into a further more vulnerable situation. So it's important that you create a situation where the child is able to approach you, and this will not happen like, it's not like after the problem comes that you start talking to the child. You have to create an atmosphere where the child is able to communicate with the parent, and I think it's both the parents' equal responsibility. The father and mother have to share responsibilities, and it may change over time, and ultimately I think that's what contributes to bringing well equipped individuals who are well adjusted, who are compassionate, who are caring, and who therefore contribute to creating a better nation.
Thank you for being with us.